First of all, see the payment proof. I have received $5 in PayPal through Tremendous. I have earned this $5 only by completing surveys. It allows for instant redemption of rewards. The payment notification has also come on my email. The company paid me within 5 minutes, and my payment proof shows that the company follows through with its promises. The platform is available in worldwide people. I have come to the dashboard of the site. Currently, I have 3 surveys available. The first survey is of 280 points, which means about $3, because on this site 100 points are equal to $1. Yesterday I completed a survey, whose reward was 104 points. 104 points are $1.04. Till now I have earned 563 points from this site by completing only 10 surveys. I answered 10 surveys on this site to cash out. As you can see in recently activity, most of my surveys paid 50 cents to $1 or even more. And they all took about 10 to 30 minutes to complete, which is pretty decent. Overall, expect to earn about $10 to $30 per day with this site, or a bit more if you get a bit lucky. This site can give up to $5 on a single survey. Its review on Trustpilot is quite good. As you can see in the live cash out feed above, people from different countries are withdrawing their earned amount through their preferred payment method, but more withdrawals are happening through PayPal. Because PayPal is the easiest method, this site mainly provides 4 types of payment methods: cash, gift cards, credit card, and donations. In total, it becomes 204 plus reward platform. Minimum withdrawal in bank transfer, that is ACH, and Venmo is $1, minimum withdrawal in PayPal is $5. The name of the site is Prime Opinion, and I have given its sign up link in the description of the video. As soon as you click on that link, you will be directed to its sign up page. Prime Opinion gives $5 sign up bonus. I will tell you later how you will get $5. In Prime Opinion, you can create your account through email, Google, Facebook, and Apple. You simply have to click on Google. Email ID will appear in front of you. You have to click on that email ID. As soon as you click, your account will be successfully created. To get $5 sign up bonus, click on More here. Then click on Redeem Bonus Code. Now fill this code here. Then click on Submit. As soon as you click on Submit, you will get $5 sign up bonus plus 10% extra bonus on every survey for the next 24 hours. Overall, Prime Opinion is legit survey site, providing a reliable platform for users to earn money through surveys. With its consistent payment processing and responsive customer support, Prime Opinion ensures a trustworthy experience for its members.